Hello guys and welcome to another video from Dev Channel. Today I'm going to show you a very basic example of inheritance with Java. For this purpose we're going to create a new project and we call it car. I want to provide this example with cars. We've got a base class which contains a method and all the subclasses can access the method and can call it without implemented by itself. So we're gonna there create our car project, and at first we're gonna create a new class which contains the definition of our car. So we're gonna call a car. The superclass is object because it has to be, and we're gonna create it. At first we're gonna create a public constructor because we want to set some properties when this class is called. At first we're gonna go there and say the name of the car, and then we're gonna say the color. For this purpose we're also gonna create internal members, and we're gonna there and say a name which is empty, and we're also gonna create color which is also empty. And in the constructor we're gonna go there and say this name equals the name and this color equals color. And for our subclasses we want to provide, for this example, a very basic method as I said at the beginning, which only prints out the name of the car and the color of the car, which calls or which inherits the car class. So we're gonna there and say public, oh come on, public white, we don't need to return anything, print car, which doesn't accept any parameters, and we're gonna go there and say system out print line, and we're gonna go there and say the car and then we're gonna add the name as the color. I mean, the sentence doesn't have to be that meaningful, it's only here to show you what inheritance can do for you. So if this method is called, the car name has the color, that should be basically verified. And now we're gonna there and we are adding a class which implements or which inherits this car class. So we can do it in both ways. We can go there and we're gonna go there and set the superclass in our creation menu. We can also edit the code because it only adds the extent and then the name of the class, which you're gonna see in a couple of moments. So we're gonna there and say this is a Mercedes, and we hit finish. What Eclipse does for us, it adds the extent car. Now, since we got a public constructor in the car class, we have to implement it the exact same way in a subclass. And if we get over the red line, we're gonna want a quick fix, and we're adding this constructor. So basically, if you are gonna call the Mercedes class anywhere in the program, you have to give the name and the color, and it is calling the superclass. And what we're gonna do right now is nothing. We just leave it there, and as you can imagine, you can go there and add Mercedes specific implementation. We can go there and add another class. Yeah, in this case we're gonna say BMW, and as I said before, the only thing it adds the extents, and then we're gonna go for car. We got the same message, we got to add a constructor, and as in the Mercedes, add BMW specific, oh, come on, specific code here. Now, if we're gonna make a call on this, we have to implement the main thing and just call it a program. And now we see the magic of those kind of implementation with base classes and subclasses. If we're gonna implement, or if we're gonna call the Mercedes implementation right now, we have to add our name of the car and the color. I'm not gonna add the C class, C class, and this is black. And I want to also create a BMW, which is a new BMW, and I'm going for the 340, and this is white. So, and now that is the great things of inheritance. We can call the function, if we go back to our car class, which is print car, in our Mercedes and BMW objects without implementing it. If we go to our program, we will see the Mercedes class has the print car method, and so does the BMW class have the print car. Now we're hitting save and we hit run. We will see the C class has the color black and the car 340 has the color white, which is exactly what we said in our public constructor. And then we call the print car on the Mercedes and BMW object, which is written in the car class, which is the subclass of the Mercedes class and the BMW class. So basically, this is a very simple, very short example of inheritance. You can do the same with properties, if you got a ton of things, and you can access in as long as they are public or package visible within the subclasses and their implementations. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to see further videos, please do comment, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.